Okay, good morning. Today we're going to learn chapter 5, Network, part 7, Weighted graph and unweighted graph. Okay, so we look at the different weighted and unweighted graph. So, weighted graph, directed graph, and undirected graph. So you learn already the directed graph which have directions, and undirected graph is no directions. So unweighted graph same, directed graph and undirected graph. So the edges is associated with the value or a weight. Now you can see here the weighted graph. So AB, the weight is 5. Okay. For the unweighted graph, not associated with a value or a weight. So the example, the H represent the distance between two cities. Let's say lah, A to B, 5 kilometers. Okay, traveling time or 5 minutes, maybe 5 hours, and the current in an electrical circuit, and the cost, maybe A to B is 5 ringgit. So the H related information like job hierarchy in an organization chart. Also example, the manager, then branch manager, and then CEO. So example, COO, okay, or the accountant, okay, flow map, tree map, and bubble map. So this is the differences, weighted graph and unweighted graph. So draw the weighted and undirected graph based on the given information. So now this question, they need you mark the weighted graph, but the graph is no direction one, undirect graph. So given to you like this. So the vertex is UV, weight is 1. UW, the weight is 2. VW, the weight is 5. Vx, the weight is 4. Wx, the weight is 3. And xy, the weight is 6. So the first one, you check. U is 1 point. V second. W third. X is 4. Y would be 5. So actually you need 5 points. So this one is undirected graph, is no direction. UV, okay, you draw UV. Maybe you can draw the UV at this side, is no problem one. It's up to you. So I plot here is V, is 1. UW is 2. Okay. VW is 5. So VW is 5. And then Vx is 4. Wx is 3. And the last HXY 6. So this one is referred to the undirected graph. How about this one? Draw the weighted and directed graph based on the given information. So just now is undirected, now is directed. So the same question I given to you, now you have to draw the directions. So UV, so as you learned before, it means you move to V. Okay. This one, the same question, I take just now the same question, you move to V. So the weighted is 1. Okay. So the second one is U to W. The weight is 2. V to W. The weight is 5. V to X. The weight is 4. And then V to X is 3. Okay. X to Y is 6. So same with just now. The difference is this one is directed graph, which is you move one place to another place. So direction U to W, U to V. Okay, so and so on. So we look at one question, textbook 138, page 138, question 4. Okay. So this one is belong to K-bar question. Based on the information in table 1 and table 2, complete the weighted and directed graph. So they give you KP to J and then J to B. So this one is undirected graph. Okay, so we look at one by one. Name of place is Kuala Pilar, KP. The vertex is KP. So they draw already. Bahau B. They draw for you already for B Bahau. And romping R. Here you don't see R. So maybe you can draw this one is R or down there R. No problem one. So Batu Kikil, BK. Okay, you don't see BK. So either lah, this one BK or down there BK. And Juase J. Okay. So we check one by one. So JB is 11.6 km. Okay, and so on. So we look at the question B. Mr. Benny and Mr. Murugesh drive individually from Kuala Pilar to Lomping, such that Mr. Benny used the shorter road and Mr. Murugesh take the road which passed through Juase and Bahau. Calculate the difference in distance in km for the journey taken by Mr. Benny and Mr. Murugesh from Kuala Pilar to Lomping. So here got Kuala Pilar. Okay. Okay, Kuala Pilar they give to you, Juase they give to you, and then the Bahau also they give to you. So you need to draw Romping and Batu Kikil. Okay, the same question I'll show you. So KP to J. Now KP to J, we check KP to J is 9.3. So I mark here 9.3. And then Juase to Bahau, JB is 11.6. Okay, so we plot another 2 points as I told you before. So we plot another 2 points, 1 point and 2. So you label, let's say I label this is R and this is Batu Kikil, R for Lomping. Okay, now we check one by one. Okay, this one 11.6, you got KP to R is 40. So KP is mean Kuala Pilar to Romping is 40 km. So I mark here the weight is 40. Okay, Bahau to Romping is 20. So Bahau to Romping is 20.7. Okay, sorry 20.7. Okay, and then Batu, this one is Bahau to Batu Kikil 11.4. Okay. And then Batu Kikil to Juase is 6.6. Okay. And then KP is Kuala Pilar to Juase is 9.3. Here, 9.3. So we complete this graph. Then let's say this graph is 5 marks. So you label everything, you get 5 marks. Okay. So we complete this graph already. So this is for the answer A. So now we look at the answer B. Mr. Benny and Mr. Murugan drive individually from Kuala Pilar to Romping, such that Mr. Benny used the shorter route. So now KP to R is Kuala Pilar to Romping is 40 km. Okay, now very directly you can see this one direct. Okay, Mr. Murugesh take the route which passed through Juase and Bahau. So Mr. Murugesh they move from KP to Juase, from Juase to Bahau. After that, the final destination is Romping. Okay, now Kuala Pilar to Juase, from Juase to Bahau, from Bahau to Romping. So you add this one 9.3 plus 11.6 plus 20.7. So your answer would be 41.6. Okay, now the question asks you calculate the difference in distance for the journey taken by Mr. Benny and Mr. Murugesh. So this one 41.6, you minus 40. So the answer would be 1.6. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you. See you on next time.